This video is for educational purposes and is completely neutral. It's no secret that drones have changed the course of warfare forever. And if artillery was called the god of war, then flying drones can rightfully be called his younger brother, since they work in close cooperation with each other. And with the advent of cheap and effective drones, all the advantages of armored forces on the battlefield were nullified. Now there are entire departments that deal only with drones. There is a suspicion that the latest batches of drones are controlled by artificial intelligence. They work quickly and accurately. A very short time passes from the moment of detection to the destruction of the equipment. Now hunter drones have appeared on the battlefield, hunting other drones. Their main task is to destroy reconnaissance drones and spotters. As soon as such a drone appears in the sky, a hunter immediately flies out to it. And in this video, we will see the visual work of such a hunter. And there will also be a second very interesting episode where the drone operators themselves will be hunted down and hit. There will be one oddity in the video that defies any explanation. Perhaps it could just be called a miracle. Anyway, the second half of the video takes a close look at everything. An enemy reconnaissance drone was detected in the sky, and a hunter urgently flies to him. And soon, he finds him. He quickly catches up with it and immediately attacks. But on the first approach to the target, there is not enough speed and he misses. He turns around and gains altitude sharply. The corrector gains speed and tries to get away, but the hunter is very powerful and quickly catches up with him and hits the target a second time. The second time, he hits it accurately. The enemy drone is destroyed. It is extremely difficult and economically unprofitable to attack such small drones with air defense missiles. And this does not guarantee results. Shooting bullets is also useless. Drones are high. There are special anti-drone weapons, but their range is also limited, and it seems that an antidote has finally been found. This hunter showed high efficiency. In the case of drones that hit armored vehicles, if they miss, the drone will still hit the ground and die. Here it's the other way around. You can miss several times and then catch up with him again. And here the question arises. What do these hunters look like? A video from the spotter drone that was attacked appeared online. Of course, it's impossible to say for sure, but the description said that this footage was taken from exactly that drone, taken by the side camera. This is the moment of the first miss. And here he is, our hunter. It has 4 engines, as well as one big one in the middle. Apparently, it is this that gives powerful acceleration to the drone, and it also has a large antenna. The drone can probably operate over long distances, and of course there is a charge suspended from below. It looks like it might be more than a kilogram, and we saw how easily it accelerates and maneuvers. Very interesting development. What do you think about this? Write in the comments. And let's move on to the second episode. A reconnaissance drone detected an enemy drone. He carefully guides the target. Soon the drone releases its parachute and lands. 2 operators approach him. The vehicle also houses a drone control station. They quickly disassemble the drone and put it in the back. They soon land and leave, having previously camouflaged the drone because it is white and too conspicuous. The car drove off for some distance and stopped on the side of the road. The reconnaissance drone transmitted all the data, and the rocket flew towards him. Guidance was by GPS. An alternative GMRL's warhead flew over them. This is the one with 180,000 tungsten carbide balls on board, and they all fly out at enormous speed. There have been cases of a military truck being pierced through, including the engine. This is where the same miracle happens. The 2 operators escape from the stricken vehicle and run away. But how is this possible? Neither helmets nor body armor would definitely have saved their lives. The video clearly shows the impact of the balls, but the operators calmly left the car and ran away. The drone war is not tomorrow. It is happening right now. And sometimes, such strange means are used to fight drones. In the video, we see an FPV drone chasing a fighter in a forest belt. At the same time, his comrade is standing next to him and trying to help him, perhaps firing at the drone from an AK. The fighter, realizing the hopelessness of the situation, strikes the drone with a stick. The drone has been destroyed. Surprisingly, the drone did not detonate, and the fighter remained alive. In this video, the fighters managed to destroy the FPV drone using a firearm. We see 2 soldiers discover that they are being hunted by an FPV drone. It is useless to try to leave, because in this case, they will become easy prey for him. And the soldiers decide to attack the drone. One fighter shoots from a machine gun, the second from a hunting shotgun. A hit, and the drone explodes in the air. Luck again, because if they were driving in a vehicle, they might not have heard it approaching. As they say in war, all means are good. What do you think are the most effective means in the fight against drones? Thanks for watching and see you later.